So after you read the passage, you're going to want to come to the next slide, and that is where you are going to answer your questions. So I already zoomed mine in. It was at 35%, and that was too small. I changed it to 50, and that was still too small for me, but maybe not for you. And so I put it at 100. If that still isn't big enough, you can go as high as 200%, maybe even more. So you're going to want to make sure that you type your name right here. Okay, so you'll highlight that and you will write your name. Then you are going to go and type your answers here. So where is the question? You guys see the question? Right, it's right here. So what is the first paragraph about? When you're answering this question, you need to make sure that you do what? Anybody know? Right, you need to restate the question. So the first paragraph is about, and then I would finish my sentence, and I would also probably add more after that to give it a really clear understanding. The next one is going to ask you the same thing. So you'll notice this is just asking you to summarize each paragraph. So what is it about? What is the second, the third, the fourth paragraph about? And then here it says, what question do you have about this passage? So good readers always have questions about their reading. So think about it. Think about reading that passage. You can go back and reread it. You can flip back and forth. So if you need to read it, find what's important, you may do so, and then come back and put it in here. Okay, we want you to use the information from the text. And then your question can be about anything related to the text. Please don't ask a question about what the weather's going to be like tomorrow, because that wouldn't really go with the text. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.